Piny Kenya ogoyo okang' mar chiero yore mag wuodhe nam ahinya to bang' sith mar feri mabiro ringo kalewo ewi pi maborne romo mita 29 e dho wath ma Kisumu. Kane giloso e sach sidho feri no, jatend migawo mar jolweny Soipan Tuya gi nyawadgi mar dongruok dho wedhe kod nembe mag pacho ka Hassan Joho ne gilieko ni feri makama kobiro to biro chako tich kendo biro konyo chugo thuolo mag tije kaachiel gi bero weche mag ohala e kind mamoko. Gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga kod jalup gavana ma Kisumu Dr. Matthews Owili to korgi oyango ni feri manyien no biro gi ageta mar chopo dho wedhe ma ok osebedo mayot chope.
But we didn't get to the ferry until 2023 when His Excellency President Dr. William Ruto came in, and now the budget was there and he gave his word and instructions that the ferry would be done. And lo and behold, today we are here for key laying for the ferry, Lake Victoria ferry. It is extremely significant, and that in December we will be back to actually have a ferry.
This ferry, once completed, will transform transport across the Lake Victoria, enabling faster, safer, and more cost-effective movement of cargo and people. Today, we celebrate not just the engineering and innovation that will go into this project, but the collaborative effort that will make it possible.
We are therefore not just inaugurating the mainframe of this ambitious project, but also creating a springboard for a thriving shipbuilding enterprise here at the port of Kisumu.